How to move personal Facebook ad account into Business Manager. So if you want to move your personal Facebook ad account into a Business Manager, you need to simply open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So once you're here on the browser, you need to go for the search and search for business.facebook.com/settings. So here, if you have not added Business Manager, then you can simply go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and here you will have your Ads Manager, right? So you need to simply go for the Ads Manager, or you can simply go for business.facebook.com/ads manager, and then you can log in with your personal account. So here under your business, you will have this drop down bar. Click on the drop down bar and then you can choose your account and click on view in ads manager. Click on your account and it will take you to the ads manager under your Facebook. And once you're on the ad account, you need to grab your ad account URL code, which will be on the upper right. So after the account, you will have the code, right? You need to simply copy the code which you have here on the upper right. Once you copy the code, and then you need to go back to the business settings, and under the business settings here you will have add accounts option. So go for the add account under the account, and here if you don't have any ad accounts, you need to simply click on add and you can add your account. So click on the add and then you can choose create a new ad account, and here you need to enter your account name or the ad account name, and then the time zone, you need to select the time zone. Once you've selected, you need to choose the currency, and once you've chosen the currency, now you need to click on next. And once you tap on next, you may get an email, so you need to go to the email which is connected to your personal ad account and grant the access. Once you've accessed, that's it. That's how you can move your personal Facebook ad account into a Business Manager. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.